Hey folks, how's it going? Sam here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get up and running with dotlottie-react inside your website and using a state machine. So here we have our dotlottie animation, which contains a state machine. And when we click on the different layers, we're going to modify our website accordingly. So I'm going to show you how to get the player running, listen for events, and do some runtime modifications to the website. So first of all, we're going to get started in the code. So let's hop over there. So let's get started with an animation. First things first, let's add dotlottie-react to our project. So here I'm going to npm add LottieFiles dotlottie-react. And then I'm going to import dotlottie-react. There we go. Once that's done, we can go ahead and create our component. So dotlottie-react component. For the moment, let's autoplay and loop it just to see if it's working correctly. Add our source. This will be a URL to your animation. And then close it off. Then we can npm dev, get our server running, and check that out on the website. So to then start your state machine, it's very simple. All you have to do is supply the state machine ID prop, the ID of your state machine, and reload your page. And there we have it. It's booted up and we can start interacting with our state machine. So that's super quick and easy to get started up with state machines. This might be enough for your website. We're going to go a little bit deeper, detect which state we're on, and make our website react to these changes. So let's see how we can do that. So here I want ROI to be dynamic. So let's create a variable for that. I'm going to call it current word, and then just use some state ROI, and then we can go ahead and swap that out. So that's our word, and then I'm going to create a quick little function or a callback for a way to update it. So let's call it update current word, and it's going to take an event, and then we can have our logic inside there. So to call this and to get notified of state machine events, it's pretty simple. We're going to do a dotlottie ref callback, and we're going to have dotlottie, and I'm going to then dotlottie add event listener, and here there's quite a few different state machine events you can listen to, start, stop, those kind of things, but you can also listen to individual input changes. So here I'm going to listen to string input value changes because that's what's inside my state machine. That's what determines which state we're in, is the value of the string. So I'm going to listen for changes of that, and then I'm going to call update current word. So then now, if I console log the event, we can see what happens. So if I head over to my website, so now inside the console, if you click on the different layers, I can see that the input name click was changed and get its new value. So then we can do event new value, and that's going to be our new value to change ROI to. So that's a quick way to get up and running with the events. And I'm going to add some custom logic because here it's social, but I want it to be social media, and here it's email. So I'm just going to add some if statements. So if event new value is equal to email, I want the current word to be email marketing, I think it was email marketing, and then if it's social, social media. And then otherwise, we're going to set the current word to event and its new value. So here, if I click on email marketing, we get email marketing, social media, marketing, SEO, conversions, and add. That's great. We can clean up a bit, remove the console log event. You could then go ahead and, animate this, do whatever. But it's super simple to listen for state machine events. You can just add an event lister as usual, and then start it with state machine, and then whatever you're trying to listen to. Boolean events, numeric events, events fired, all that stuff. But here I'm going to leave it to string. So there you have it, how to get started with dotlottie-react, state machines, and dynamic updates to your website. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.